Hello, and welcome back to my workshop. As I've said before, playing video games, apart from the doll repaint, is one of my favorite hobbies. And I know I came very late to the Devil May Cry 5 party, but I recently purchased the game, and I totally love the Devil May Cry character design, but this one is really amazing. And my favorite character, of course, is Nero, so I decided to create a doll of him with my own twist. Okay, enough talking, let's begin. This is the very first time I'm using a Ken doll for a repaint. I previously contoured his face and body, and also rebrewed him with grey hair. So now I'm going to start his repaint. And I gotta say I was really intimidated about working with a Ken doll, because their faces are so damn small. Just like my last repaint, I'll use pastels to create the initial shading for the brows. After this, I'll paint the scleras with white acrylic, finish the iris and seal the doll one more time. Now it's time to add some hair strokes with a pencil. Later, also with pastels, I'll shade the lips. And here's the finished face, with the rooted hair. To finish the sides, I'll fill them up by using Elmer's glue and the same hair. And after a little trim, here's the final look. We just need to style the hair and try to hide a little the edges. And now for the clothes. The Owen doll came with this pair of Chelsea boots, pants, a vest, and this sweater. I dyed the sweater red to get as close as I could to Nero's one. And I also dyed the pants black. I'll use the vest as a base to create the jacket. We don't need those boots. Instead, I'll grab a pair of Hunter Huntsman boots and paint them black. Nero uses a white t-shirt underneath the sweater, so to achieve the layered look, I'll grab a piece of the bottom of an actual t-shirt and sew it on the bottom and on the collar. And now, an actual tutorial. Oh my god, a tutorial? Yes, indeed. On my last video I'll show you how to create a dress without a pattern, but today I'll make a pattern for the jacket. I'll grab the vest and fold it on half from the back. I'll place the center on the edge of the piece of paper. And I'll trace the vest. I'll add 2.5 inches from the bottom, but I want the line to be a little inclined to have more flair. We don't want very harsh angles on the pattern, so I'll refine the waist using a curved ruler. Don't forget to add some seam allowance. To create the frontal pattern, I'll place the vest on the paper again, and with a tracing wheel I'll mark the edges. I'll clean up my lines by using my ruler. And I'll add also the 2.5 inches to match the back pattern. Don't forget the flare too, and refine the angles of the waist with the curved ruler. And we're good to go. Let's cut the pattern on our fake leather. And this is our jacket so far. Time to make the sleeves. I'll use the pattern I have for my mini middle. I'll measure the length of the sleeve from the doll's shoulder to the wrist. And for the bottom of the sleeve, I'll measure the doll's wrist only. Pattern done, and we can sew the sleeves to the jacket. I will add more details off camera, and we finished! Even though this was my very first Ken repaint, I'm very pleased with the results. He's missing his sword, the Red Queen, but I'll try to make it on the future. I really hope you like him, and also that you found the tutorial helpful. And as always, remember to like, share and join to the workshop by subscribing to my channel, and click the bell to get notified of my new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next time. Kiro out!